Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make serious money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing the secrets to earning $10,000 a month through blogging. Whether you're a beginner or have been blogging for a while, these strategies can take your income to the next level. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll be sharing a bonus tip that could skyrocket your earnings. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The first secret is picking the right niche. Not all niches are profitable, so you need to choose one that has high demand, low competition, and monetization potential. Some of the most profitable niches include personal finance, health and wellness, technology and software, digital marketing, luxury lifestyle. Find a niche with high demand and low competition. Step 2. Creating high-quality content. Once you've picked your niche, the next step is creating valuable content. Google rewards blogs that provide in-depth, helpful, and original content. Here's how to create content that ranks. Write long-form articles 1,500 words plus words. Optimize for SEO keywords, meta descriptions. Use engaging visuals and videos. Solve real problems your audience face. Step 3. Traffic strategies to grow fast. Traffic is the lifeline of your blog. Without it, you won't make a dime. Here are the top ways to drive traffic. SEO. Rank on Google using keyword research and backlinks. Pinterest. Create viral pins that drive consistent traffic. Social media. Use Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram for promotion. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters. Step 4. Monetization methods. Now, let's talk about making money. Here are the top ways bloggers earn $10,000 plus per month. 1. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. 2. Ad revenue. Use Google AdSense or Mediavine. 3. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. 4. Sponsored posts. Get paid by brands to promote products. 5. Memberships and subscriptions. Offer exclusive content for a monthly fee. Bonus tip. Scaling to $10,000. Here's the bonus tip. Outsource and automate. If you want to scale quickly, you need to delegate tasks. Hire writers, use AI tools, and automate social media posts. Focus on growing your business instead of doing everything yourself. Now you know the secrets to earning $10,000 a month with blogging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my content.